This is section 2.3, subtraction of integers. For two numbers a and b, a minus b equals a plus negative b. So let's look at 5 minus 2. Well, we know 5 minus 2 equals 3. So if we keep the 5 and change b to negative b, we see that 5 plus negative 2 is also 3. So to perform a subtraction, we can take the following steps. We can leave the first number, also called the minuend, unchanged. Step 2, we can change subtraction to addition. Step 3, add the opposite of the second number, the subtrahend. So for example, 9 minus 3, we're going to make that 9 plus negative 3. Negative 9 minus 3 is negative 9 plus negative 3. 9 minus negative 3 will become 9 plus positive 3, and negative 9 minus negative 3 will become negative 9 plus positive 3. So 15 minus 20, we're going to make two changes. So 15 minus 20, the first change is subtraction becomes addition, and the second change is the 20 becomes a negative 20. And so now we have an addition problem where the signs are different. So we find the difference. We have 15, we owe 20, so our difference is going to be negative 5. Negative 7 minus 12. So we're going to keep the first number, we're going to change to addition and change the sign of the second number, and negative 7 plus negative 12 is negative 19. Making two changes to 40 minus the quantity negative 8. I'm going to keep, change, change. So I have 40 plus 8, which is 48. Next, I'm going to add and subtract several integers. So I'm going to move from left to right, and I'm going to start with negative 4 minus 6. And negative 4 minus 6, if we keep the negative 4 and change to addition and change the 6 to negative 6, we see we have negative 10. And now I have negative 10 plus negative 3. So the signs are the same, so we're going to add and keep the sign. Negative 10 and negative 3 is negative 13. Now I have minus 5. So for subtraction, I'm going to keep, change, change, and that gives me negative 18, and now plus 8. The signs are different, so I will take the difference, and I end up with negative 10. And here we have some translations. Translate to a mathematical expression and then simplify. The difference of negative 52 and 10. So that's going to be negative 52 minus, because difference means minus, 10. So this is negative 52 plus negative 10, which is negative 62. Negative 35 decreased by negative 6. So we keep, change, change. So now we have negative 35 plus 6. The signs are different, so we take the difference, and the difference in this case is 29. It'll be negative because 35 has the larger absolute value. 12 less than negative 8. Now, if you recall, when we see less than, we have to reverse the order. So it's going to be negative 8 minus 12. So that's negative 8 plus negative 12. The signs are the same, so we keep them, and negative 8 and negative 12 is negative 20. Subtract 27 from 5. Again, we're going to reverse the order, and we're going to do 5 minus 27. So we change to addition and change to negative. So my signs are different. I take the difference and I get negative 22. A helicopter is hovering at a height of 200 feet above the ocean. A submarine is directly below the helicopter, 125 feet below sea level. Find the difference between the helicopter and the submarine. So the helicopter is 200 minus the submarine, which is negative 125. So I'll keep and change to addition. And so I end up with 325 feet. And next we have some skilled practice problems for you to try and work these out on paper and submit.